This is the removal of the Dunkirk D247 900,000 BTU steam boiler. What we're going to be doing today is replacing the oversized boiler with a Dunkirk modern D249 800,000 BTU steam boiler. Visit us on at chathamcomfortcontrols.com or www.ccc-hvac. That's www-ccc-hvac. You can reach us at 773-842-4299. Your Chicagoland authorized ComEd American Standard Dunkirk contractor. What you're looking at is a cracked upper section of a Dunkirk D247 900,000 BTU steam boiler, which is flaking away by hand pressure. This happens because the boiler was oversized, therefore the boiler overpressurized and rotted itself out from the inside out. All right, here you go. Removal of the last section. We have another massive hole in the section where I can stick my finger in where the boiler has cracked. Literally rip the boiler apart with your hands, overpressurizing, oversizing the boiler. This is what happens. If your boiler is not sized right, you lose about 10 years life expectancy on it. Steam boiler should last you well over 20, 25 years. Chatham Comfort Controls, Heating and Cooling, your Chicagoland Dunkirk American Standard dealer. What you're looking at is the sections of a D247 steam boiler removed, heavily burned. As you can see on this one, the whole upper section, or whole upper top part of the section, has been deteriorated due to oversizing. This boiler is a very large investment. It'll take care of 8 to 10 unit building. So please choose your boiler contractor wisely. Once again, another upper section of the boiler that was shown. Heavy burn marks. The reason why this boiler cracked. Visit us online, www.ccc-hvac.com, or you can now find us as your Chicagoland authorized Dunkirk boiler dealer. Go to www.dunkirk.com, find dealer. 773-842-4299, 773-842-4299. Your authorized ComEd American Standard dealer, serving all of Chicago, South, and Northwest Indiana. Finished product, Dunkirk D249 800,000 BTU steam boiler. As we say, we have fire in the hole. Only let licensed professional contractors install boilers for you. Very large investment, highly dangerous, only for the professionals. What you're looking at now is our control, or our brain side. We have a McDonnell Miller 61 low water cutoff acting as a secondary, and over in the corner there, that's our McDonnell Miller 67 low water cutoff acting as a primary. Once again, Chatham Comfort Controls, Heating and Cooling, your Chicagoland authorized Dunkirk dealer, Chicagoland authorized ComEd American Standard contractor. 773-842-4299. We're out here. Visit us online, www.ccc-hvac, www.ccc-hvac. We bring the heat, we know steam, we turn wrenches.